Here's a pair of BERIBES headphones, model number WH202A. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Pioneer Xumo TV via Bluetooth. First thing we want to do is put the headphones in the pairing mode, okay? So if you look at the right ear cup, you have three buttons here, okay? Volume up, volume down, and this top round one is a multifunction button, basically power/Bluetooth button. That's the only button that we're going to use, okay? So I'm going to put these in a pairing mode. You know when it's in pairing mode, when the LED over here is blinking blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. Okay, these headphones are currently off. What I'm going to do is press and hold that power button and keep holding it until it starts blinking blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. Okay, power button here. Ready, set, go. Press and hold. Power on. I'm still holding. It says pairing and now it's blinking blue, red, blue, red. Now it's in pairing mode. So now we're going to go to the TV here. You want to go to settings. If you have this remote here, you can just tap on the settings, the gear icon. If not, just go to the home page, click on the home button, and then on the top left hand side, go to that little gear icon. So I'll just navigate that way, go up, move over to the right. There we go, settings. We're going to go down one to Bluetooth devices right there. Click on OK on the remote. Now available devices. Now it's under available devices, it's searching for devices that's near me in pairing mode, okay? And these are still in pairing mode, blue, red, and it's already on there, WH202A. So I'm just going to go down, highlight it, click on OK, pair. And give it 1 second here. Okay, and these headphones just said connected as well, and you can see that it is connected there too. And then when you're connected, you'll be able to increase or decrease the volume. You see it right on there, increase, or we can go ahead and decrease. Anyway, we're connected now. Now, if you had issue where you couldn't put it in the pairing mode or just wouldn't connect or you had some kind of issue, you can always reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below.